Hey everyone, Panfish Guy here, and welcome to PFG Fishing. This is the first of several special guest fishing episodes I've filmed late this summer. In our first video, I'm fishing with my buddy Scott at one of my favorite small lakes in central Illinois. I'm spider rigging again, of course, and this lake has a posted 2-pole limit, so we are running 4 poles between the two of us. We're fishing with B&M Caps and Coleman half-ounce double minnow rigs 4 to 6 foot deep. This lake should still be in summer pattern, with fish typically suspending 4 to 8 foot deep throughout the lake. Fish were hard to come by, with the exception of a few bass in shallower water, until we found them stacked up around the creek channel in the deeper part of the lake. Fish were still suspended, but concentrated in 10 plus feet of water. Once we finally started picking up some fish, we encountered a little problem with the boat. My primary trolling battery gave out, which is not unusual, so I switched over to my secondary battery, my starting battery, which also gave out a few minutes later, even though they had been charging for several days. Turns out my onboard charger quit working, so only one of my batteries actually charged. There was a stiff wind blowing it against us, so we pulled up on a bank where I proceeded to hike up a goat path and over to the boat ramp to find help. I did manage to flag down a couple of good Samaritans at the boat ramp who did us a solid and towed us back to the boat
because it's
ramp.
probably slicker than snot. That's all we need is a dead battery and a broken leg. I'm already gimped. Yeah, I'm already gimped. Looks like old Billy Goat climbing up through there.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks a lot, guys.
You don't know how much.
Me too.
Yeah, I was going to make Scott row all the way back.
So we managed 8 fish on the day. If we'd been able to stay on the water, we may have picked up
I
our
was gonna
limits for the
fish
day.
the rest of the day.
Better luck next time. Please remember to check out our friends at my724outdoors.com on the web and Facebook. And if you get a chance, check out my Facebook and Instagram pages. If you like my videos, please like, share, and of course subscribe. Mash that bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded, and there are lots coming up. Hey, knock it off!